Meaning of inclusive.
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 Inclusive. The term inclusive refers to the act or practice of ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background or identity, feels welcome and valued within a particular context. It involves creating an environment that recognizes and respects individual differences, and actively works to remove any barriers to full participation. Inclusive practices are important in various settings, such as education, workplace, and community, as they promote diversity, equity, and social cohesion. By embracing inclusivity, individuals and organizations can enhance their cultural competence, broaden their perspectives, and foster greater understanding and collaboration among people from different backgrounds and experiences.